Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. My name is Jonathan. I am the spiritually awakened empath. If this is your first time tuning into this channel and you're looking to gain a deeper understanding of the whole spiritual awakening process and everything that it entails, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified each time that I upload a video. For my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about how to thrive during the holiday season as an empath. Let's get started. Today I woke up and I had a feeling that I haven't felt in a long time. For some reason, I was starting to feel stressful. I was feeling anxious about the holiday season. So I have to admit, I haven't been very connected with my family and my relatives during the past year, as most of you have done. You know, you tend to lose connection with these people, but it's okay because it's been a time of self-discovery. It's been a time of learning about your newfound abilities and how to move forward. And right now, you might be feeling stressful. That holiday season's coming up, and you're going to have family reunions. You're not sure how people are going to react to the new version of you because they will definitely notice. So I decided to make this video talking about things that you can do, tips and tricks on how to help you out during the holiday season. And the first thing I ended up doing today was, instead of looking at down, in a week or in a week and a half, or what I need to do all the way up till, let's say, Christmas, if you still celebrate it, looking up till Christmas and New Year's, I decided I'm going to make myself a list, making myself a list each and every single day as to what I need to get done. That way I can stay more present. I can be more focused on what needs to be done today instead of worrying about or starting thinking about things that are coming up later on down the line. And also, setting out affirmations. If you're not sure how it's going to be your family reunion this holiday season, start sending out affirmation. I'm so happy and glad and grateful that everyone is having a wonderful time, at the party or something like that. Think of like 2 3 affirmations. Make yourself your list of what needs to be done now until January 2nd, and then write out 2 3 affirmations and just repeat these. Just read these out in the morning and then read these out at nighttime before you go to bed. It's going to be a great test to see where you're at as far as being able to manifest things, because that's the biggest problem with most individuals, is when they're thinking about manifesting, they're only thinking about physical things. Most people don't think about manifesting either situations or being able to, yeah, basically being able to manipulate a situation, being able to turn a situation into your favor. And this is greatly going to help you out. And that way you're going to be able to, keep yourself grounded, get that stress out of you and release that anxiety. And also, you could do simply a 5-minute meditation each day, or else, like, I like to go out in nature. So just going out for a little walk, just for like 10 15 minutes, get yourself grounded, take in this awesome energy that's available, clear your head, and just get yourself feeling good. Because the higher you're vibing, the more powerful you'll be, the more you're going to be able to withstand, let's say, if there's negative emotions that come in at Christmas time. Because let's be honest, Christmas time, as much as it can be a joyful time, for some individuals, it is the most depressive time of the year, because people end up seeing all their relatives, their friends and family members they might not have seen in a while, and at a subconscious level, they start to think, okay, this person is, how come this person is thriving right now and I'm barely getting by? I'm in survival mode. So it can be difficult for individuals. You really have to think about these people too, not just thinking about yourself here. And when you do go to these family reunions, you got to remember something. You're a powerful empath, okay? You can't go in this with a victim mentality. You have to go in these family reunions thriving. Okay, you have to be feeling good about yourself, because you're not someone that's weak. You're not helpless. You're able to sense out energy levels all around you. You're able to sense out if someone is happy or someone is sad. So when you get to your parties or these family reunions, sense out, feel out the room. Take the time and make this a game. Make this the game and try to pinpoint who's the happiest, and then go talk to them to see if they are, and that's going to confirm to you, yeah, you were bang on. Were able to spot that. And that's the thing. I know empaths, I love having deep conversations, but Christmas really isn't the time to do this. It's really important. Keep it light. Keep it light and keep it on happy topics. It's just like, let's say if you have a family member who's not feeling all that great, you can maybe bring up a previous Christmas or a previous event where you guys had so much fun and it was just the most awesome time, to help boost up their morale a little bit. And also during these reunions, if you remotely feel overwhelmed, you can go take a walk. Just taking a 10-15 minute walk if it's nighttime, bathe in the moonlight, let go of these negative energies, ground yourself, and bring yourself back to the present moment. This is what's going to really help you, is being able to stay present as much as possible. And it's the same thing. Supper time. Most places are going to have buffet. They're going to have all types of foods there. You might want to start looking at taking in a little bit more high vibrational foods. Instead of doing only a quarter vegetables, you might want to like do half and half. Get more fruits and vegetables, more high rich energy foods in you. That's going to help maintain your high vibrational level. This is definitely going to help you out. Instead of feeling all groggy and all down after your supper, you're going to be re-energized and ready to continue on with the festivities. There's also a good chance that some of you, this is going to be the first family reunion that you're going to have since your awakening. And think about all the information you've taken, and think about everything that you've learned. And now you're going to want to share this with everyone. Okay? But I can't even tell you how important it is to be creative in how you're going to present what you've learned. Okay? Not being so direct forward, because it's Christmas time, or it's the holiday season for you guys. You want to keep this light. You know what I mean? If someone's having a hard time, you don't want to go up to them and let them know. Listen, it's your negative thoughts, and it's how you feel, and it's these past traumatic events and these things, these life lessons that you didn't learn, that are causing this in your life. Really be creative if you want to start giving out information about spirituality to others. Keep it light, keep it fun. You can come from a place of curiosity. You can talk about a certain experience that you've had, and put a creative twist on it, or this coming from a place of curiosity, and then people will be more open and receptive of what you're saying. You remember, we're not a cult. We're not here to recruit everyone. Okay, we're not here to save everyone. We're just here to let our light shine and be ourselves, and then help out others that want to be helped. And sometimes, as an empath, it's just simply being present, being attentive while someone speaks, that you will be helping them out that way. Obviously, because you haven't seen a lot of your relatives or friends or family members in a while, they're going to be asking you, so what have you been up to? What's going on in your life? And even if you're working on a project right now, I highly recommend that you remain vague. You can say, what? This has been a really profound year about self-discovery. I've been discovering a lot about myself and what I truly am passionate about. But currently, I have, like 3, 4 projects that I'm working on, but I'm not sure exactly which one I'm going to follow through yet. I'm pretty sure in 2020 I'm going to discover which one I should continue with right now. And this is really the early stage, so I don't really talk about this. And the reason I'm saying to do this is, even if you have something concrete, with every inch of your body that you're going to go through with something. If you mention this to someone, there's 2 things that is going to happen. One, someone is going to encourage you so much that's going to make you feel as if you already have it, and it's going to take some of that drive away. I made this mistake with my spiritual business to let some people know about this, and I'll be honest, I ended up having some blockages along the way because of this, because I was getting so much encouragement. I felt as if I had it. So let's just say I became a little bit lazier. I didn't have the same intensity that I had before. Or else it'll be the complete opposite. Someone is going to be like, are you sure this is going to work? Is there really a need for this? You actually think people are going to want to buy this? And then it's going to disencourage you. You see, so keep it vague. Yeah, I've got 3, 4 projects on the go right now. I'm not sure which one's going to work out, but I'm pretty sure that one of them will. And I think 2020 is going to show me exactly which one I should follow through with. By doing this, at least, keeping it to yourself is extremely powerful. That's what gives you that drive to want to get this project out. So that's what I suggest you do when someone asks you what you're working on currently. And lastly, if you're remotely feeling down, if you remotely feel like the energy level isn't as high as you'd like it to be at this party, here is a foolproof way to get your vibrations back up. Let's say your kids, your niece, your nephews. If you see that with the adults, the tension is just, it's getting too high. It's just the atmosphere just isn't as high up as you thought. People aren't as cheerful as you thought. Go play with the kids. This is a guaranteed way to help raise your vibrations. Okay, I'm telling you this. Think about it. These kids, this is like the most magical day of their lives. It's Christmas time. They've just received gift. This is like these miracles for these children. These children are vibing up here. They're blissful. They're living out of love. They're so happy. And what's gonna happen? Go play with these kids. Go play with your niece, nephews, and your children, because you're gonna have to match their vibrational energy. No matter who's got the highest vibrational energy, the others normally have to come up to that, and it's gonna really help cheer you up. So if you're seeing things get tense during your reunion, go. I'm gonna go check on the kids and go play with them. I love doing this. I love playing with toys. I'm a big kid at heart. So that's what I'll do. Boom, I'll go play with the kids for half an hour, get my energy level back up. By the time you go back to the family reunion, now maybe things have settled down a bit, and now people are more upbeat and people are having a much more fun time and are much more cheerful. That's going to do it for the video. All right, you guys take care. I love you. Namaste.